How to find content for guest post. Here is many ways to find and write your article or guest post. Google searches. Google is a great place to start in the search for guest posting opportunities. Prolific guest bloggers. Know of any prolific guest bloggers in your industry? Competitor backlinks. Social searches. Seek guest blogging opportunities. My blog guest. Get to know the blog's content. See how other guest posts do. Choose topics that will benefit your own business goals. Many times, guest bloggers fail because they focus on the publications instead of the content. That's a good strategy to make sure you get published, but it serves the publisher's goals instead of yours. To have a successful guest blogging program, pick topics that serve your ultimate goal, whether that's referral traffic, SEO performance, leads, or clients. Whether you're a seasoned blogger or you're just learning how to start a blog, you should build a successful guest blogging program by picking topics that serve your ultimate goal, whether that's referral traffic, SEO performance, leads or clients. Start by making a short list of your top website pages that you want to promote and include in your future guest blogs. For each page, analyze your current status, like your monthly SEO traffic, and set a goal that you want to achieve in a certain time frame of guest blogging. You can have an overall website goal as well as page-specific goals.